Ladies, it's Mandy Ross from Gwen's Foxy Nest, and I am a Chalk Couture designer, and I'm here to talk about why you want to fuzz your transfers. So first of all, I want to just let you know these are meant to be really quick videos just to kind of remind you the processes, and I've got it narrowed down to 3 steps. So you're going to fuzz it, you're going to paste it, and then you're going to wash it. So in each video, I'll just cover 1 step at a time just so you kind of get a refresher reminder. This is a silk screen transfer from Chalk Couture. They're reusable 8 to 12 times. They're bendable, they're flexible, so they can go on basically any surface. I'm actually going to show you how to put it on one of our basin boards, chalkboards for Chalk Couture. So let's just get started and I'll walk you through the process. So this one actually came with my designer kit, and it just helps me advertise my business. And I'm getting ready for some parties. So I want to make sure that everyone kind of knows what company I represent. And I'm just going to do real quick, I'm just going to cut it up, and then I'll show you how to fuzz it and why that's important. I'm just using a little bit of a cutter bee, just a paper trimmer that you would probably find in your scrapbooking supply area of a craft store, just so that I get a better cut line, which I didn't do very well that first one. So hopefully, there we go. I'll do a little better. Yeah, that's a little bit straighter. So now you just cut your. You can see on Chalk Couture they have the lines where you can cut your transfers up so they're easier to use. Okay. The reason you want to fuzz it is because it is actually sticky on the back side. Okay, and on some surfaces, if you don't fuzz it, when you go to lift it up, you would run the risk of stretching your transfer if it's not fuzzed. So let's just kind of get this one fuzzed just a couple more times. And basically you can fuzz it on a towel like I am. You can fuzz it on a t-shirt. You can fuzz it. We actually sell fuzzing cloths with Chalk Couture that you could use, but basically you're just getting some of the fuzz on your transfer so that you can get it up easier. Okay, so I'm gonna lay that to the side, and I needed to wash this before we started and I forgot. So I did a little project the other day, and now I'm gonna wash it off to put my Chalk Couture on there and show you how this is actually our chalk paste. And this is the magic of Chalk Couture, is that it's very unforgiving, and it takes a little elbow grease to actually get it off. But once you are in a new season or a new style has come out, Chalk Couture will updates our transfers every 3 months, and we have in-house designers that always make sure that our home decor is up to date and in style with the latest trends going on. So like right now, plaid is huge, and we actually have some really cute plaid transfers that just help your project just look, stunning, and no one would ever know you didn't buy it at a store, and you actually made it at home literally within minutes. So now I'm going to just dry that off and create, and just put this on here. Okay, so I can tell that I have some fuzz that's in my silk screen area. So where the design is at is kind of where you want to be concerned about, and then you just lay it on your project. Okay, I still have some more right there. I want to make sure that my paste goes exactly where it wants to be, and that's it. Being sticky is exactly how you get the clean and crisp designs. We have very intricate designs, and that's how your chalk paste or your ink goes on nice and neat. Okay, so once you have it on there, you would actually paste it and then wash it. But I'm just going to show you how to take it up now. When you do your transfers, you always want to do it from left to right or top to bottom, and that way you don't stretch your transfers, and they'll be able to use for your next project. So many designers get more than 8 to 12 uses out of their transfers. Just as long as you take care of them and you know, don't stretch them out. They should last you a long time. So check my next video, and I'm going to talk to you about the Chalk Couture paste. Okay. If you want some more tips and you know, how-tos, I do crafty projects all the time in my VIP group, and would love to have you there. I do sample kits and giveaways, so I can't add you automatically. So just type in VIP, and I'll get you the link. Or if you just want to just see what we have to offer in our shop, just type in shop, and I'll get you the link as well. And thanks for joining. Talk to you later. Bye.